Transform your favorite tropical cocktail into a delicious cake. This pina colada cake recipe is a light, moist rum cake flavored with pineapple and coconut and frosted with a rich, creamy Swiss meringue frosting. Preheat the oven. Combine the dry ingredients. Cream the butter and sugar, then add eggs one at a time. Next, alternate the flour mixture with pineapple puree and coconut cream. Combine well. Finally, add the rum and vanilla extract. Pour into the prepared baking pans and bake until done. Cool completely. Combine all pineapple coconut filling ingredients in a bowl. The full recipe is on my blog vinaasmanov.com. Then, level, torte, and moisten the cakes. Stack the layers with filling and frosting. Then, chill for 15 minutes. Frost the cake with a little more buttercream as smooth as possible. Perfect for any occasion, this cake is sure to become a new favorite. Tag me on any social media #VinaAsmanov if you try this recipe. Pipe swirls on top of the cake and then decorate them with fresh pineapple pieces. The full recipe is on my blog vinaasmanov.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you soon!